Here we are, all planted. Matt's watering. Kathy's thrilled and exhausted.
Yes.
So the bamboo are in over here is our windbreak. There's a good breeze coming in from this side, so we're gonna stop it up. We got Gracilis, the graceful, on either end. We have two empty holes because I have to go pick up the Asian lemons. Those are the yellow striped bamboos. They're gorgeous. And this is the tropical blue, the chungi, the one that cools the air and gives you a different environment. And this is one of my very favorites. Maybe my favorite bamboo, just because of how it feels different when you stand next to it. And then we've got all the things. All the things. Brogdon avocado. Fantastic avocado. As far as bananas right here, we've got Dwarf Orinoco, Blue Java, Barbados Cherry, Tropic Beauty Peach. There's a Chaya. There's a whole bunch of spinaches, and that's a little Chinese Keys ginger. There's a bunch of tropical spinaches around. Sunracer Nectarine. Nopale Cactus. That is a Dwarf Namois. That is Florida Prince. This is big old fat turmeric with a little baby Patanga that grew into it. Got a little mini papaya there that really didn't like laying on its side last night. But look at that, so resilient, coming right back. They haven't been watered yet either. Scarlet Beauty Plum, Brewster Lychee, Moringa, Methley Plum. We got a little gin berry there. One of my red Vietnamese pomegranates. There's another Red Lady seedling, papaya. There's garlic chives. There is a Tikal guava. There's a Ruby Supreme guava. There's peanut butter fruit tree. There's what we have got here. That's Namois. Some of my hibiscuses. Christmas loquat, one of the champions of the loquats, big fruits. Sweetheart banana. There's our Ruby Supreme. Here's our Solo Sunset Strawberry Papaya. This is a Thai Dwarf Mulberry. The other hibiscus, that's the Radiatus. That's double Mahoy banana. These are the Lao Pele salad tree. Lemon Cattleya guava. Rajapuri. Finger lime. Right here is Silas Wood Sapodilla. Some Katuks, Glen mango, another Katuk, sweet tart mango. Dwarf Brazilian banana, Shangri-La mulberry. There's some galangal. That is the palette that we used on this property. In case you were curious what we were putting in, those are the varieties. This is what I feel does best in this zone that I have had good success with. So we brought all these plants. The cold sensitive ones, you notice, are all in the center. They will be protected by the outer ones that are all cold hardies around the edges. I think this pond back here is going to have a lot to do with this property staying a little warmer. This being right between the pond and the house. It's a really good situation, I think. The water just holds a lot of heat. It doesn't cool down, and it only gets down to 32 degrees in the air for a couple hours. This water's riding at, even during the coldest times of the year, it's like 60, 70 usually. So think of the breeze that comes off of it and pours right up in here. They're also going to be irrigating out of this water. I can see a tilapia right down there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get you guys to see it. It's in there though. There's a tilapia right there. So neat. So they will be irrigating out of this fish poop rich pond and overhead watering this entire beautiful garden. This is 50 by 50. That's what we used, 50 by 50. And we've got quite a few trees in here, and everyone looks happy. I am very excited to see what this one looks like in 12 months from now. And those raised beds, they should be getting planted probably tomorrow. I'll bring a bunch of seed and we'll do that together. But Kathy's a trooper. She's been out here the whole time, doing it with us, planting, seeing how we do it, why we do it, what we do, the reasons behind everything. That's why we do this. That's why we install with our customers, not for our customers. Because I want everyone to understand what we're doing and why we're doing it, so you don't need us again. So you know how to do this for yourself, and you can continue doing this. Our self-sufficiency type gardens that just turn out a lot of food. Giving my boys, brothers within, a little what's up by wearing a hat every day. Those are my good friends. Check them out. Good musicians, great band. So we're about to get out of here for the day. And we will be back tomorrow just to put in these last 2 bamboos that I didn't get. My good friend had a truck issue and was not able to bring them to me, so I have to go get them. But other than that, that project is completed. That is a lot of mulch. We moved a lot of mulch. It's probably a foot thick, somewhere it's deeper in other places. It's a lot of mulch. We put a lot of material in there. So I expect to see a really, really vibrant garden just in 6 months. I mean, next spring's flush will be fantastic in that bed because everything will have roots set in really nice. So until the next one, grow your gardens. Check us out. Watch our YouTubes. Follow through. There's a good bunch of videos up here now. And check out the Reed Farm on Facebook. Check out the Reed Farm on Instagram. And Kelly's new yoga. She's got all kinds of advertisements up. Mindful Yoga to Land.